Hello guys, welcome back to my channel World of Rahul Katikala. So today I'm bringing you the brand new, let me show you, the Moto Genius MK-07 lights. So these are the AUX lights that I ordered for my Himalayan 450. These are the brand new. After a lot of struggle finding it hard to ride during the nights with this dim light from the Himalayan 450, I ordered these lights. After researching so much, I ordered these from Sam Garage, which is a online as well as offline store from Delhi. They offered this at a very good price comparatively from other HJG and other brands. This is something that I really liked. Let me show you. So as this is an unboxing video, look how good the packing is. Also see LED, so that shows that these are truly LED. The packing is too good. High quality and bright LED headlights. The MG is not the Morris Garage, but the MG stands for Moto Genius. How well they have actually packed. So inside we get these Moto Genius stickers, two of them, and this shows how the buttons work. They have provided with two buttons and they have various functions: low beam, high beam, and super beam, and how the flashing key works and all of these. We'll see them later. And this is something which is good, the wiring diagram, which not most of the retailers show us. This is really good, the wiring diagram, so we can do it ourselves, DIY. The most interesting part is that I'll show you later. See, this, no other brand provides all of this. They provide the zip ties as well. The hexagon keys and the screws. Who provides Loctite? So these are, which other brand provides? I don't remember any brand providing this kind of detailing. They provide this Loctite, which we apply it on the screw and then tighten it so that bonds with the whatever holder it is. And these are for mounting the, I think, the switch. Yeah, these are for mounting the switch, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. And these are the, again, some other mounts. These are the mounts used to mount on the guards, like the leg guard or the engine guard, but I'm not using this. I ordered something else, I'll show you. And the wiring harness, is like really good. So they come with two outs. So this has got a fuse inbuilt and two outs. So one battery, positive and negative, two wires which we connect for the battery, positive negative, and one for the relay, so that the battery doesn't drain out. Only when the relay is on, this unit draws power from the battery, or else, so only when you turn on the switch, the relay turns on, and then this draws power from the battery. So whenever the switch is off, it will not work. And one more interesting thing is this green one. This green wire actually connects to the bike's high switch. So you like to flash it when someone is coming towards you or when you want to overtake. So when you connect this green one, or the brown wire, if I'm not wrong, so this connects to the high beam of the bike's light, and when you give the flashing, even the fog lights do give the flashing or whatever effect it gives. I haven't tried it out, but I've read it from the wiring diagram. So this is one more interesting thing. The quality is quite much more promising than the other brands. I cannot compare exactly, but mostly you can say Live HJG. So I see these are much more premium. And finally, oh, this is another wire. They have given this wire because this is a small extension for that. You can connect it and then give it to the bike slide. So they give a long wire. Finally, the lights. These are the lights. Look how premium these look. These look so premium, like so damn premium. Completely made of aluminum, I guess. Fully sealed. Looks pretty good. So this is one more small thing really thought of by the company. Okay, so this is another DRL which glows on the behind. So when we are driving the bike during the nights, not just the front guy but also the people coming from behind can see the light glowing behind. So this will help the other riders who are overtaking us, and they can be notified that you are there. This is really thought of thing. Of course, the front light also works as a DRL as well as the actual fog light. These are actually spotlights. As of now, I can say these are really good. The couplers, so there are no loose wires. They have given us the proper couplers with these, so they connect directly to the harness. So what we get is two lights, the harness, and extra cable to connect to the bike's high beam. And this is the clamps, which other brands don't provide for free. The zip ties, which is one more good thing. I don't think any other brand provides. Oh, I forgot the main thing. The switch. This is also a very premium looking switch. Even the switch does have an inbuilt light, so during the dark these switches actually glow, which will make the rider easy to find the light switch during the dark times. So even this comes with a coupler, so there are no loose wires, nothing loose, so we just couple it directly. The lights and the switch, the only loose wires you'll find is the terminals to the battery, the high beam and the relay, which of course we need them. You can install all these by yourself, provided you have necessary small tools and basic knowledge, because they are providing us with the wiring diagram as well. So if you can do it, you can do it, or else get it done by a qualified technician. Let me read what this switch does. It has got few functions. So it has two buttons which shows, one is the light and one is the flasher. So what does this do? Single press low beam for the light key. I'm reading out the light key. Single press gives you low beam, and second time you press it, it gives high beam, and press the third time, so it will, both of the low and high beams work at a time. Press it the third time. Okay, so low beam gives you the yellow light, high beam gives you the white light, and then you press it third time, you get both yellow and white, so it gives super beam. Press twice in a row, overtaking light automatically reset in 3 seconds. Okay, so you can press it twice in a row, chick, chick, and then overtaking light automatically resets in 3 seconds. Okay, the overtaking light, okay, I should see what that overtaking light is. And then long press for 2 seconds, turn off the spotlight. Okay, it works as a power switch as well, so you long press it for 2 seconds and then the spotlight will be off. What does the flashing key does? So press once and the low beam starts slowly flashing, like slow flashing, and then press the second time and the high beam flashes left and right. Okay, so they alternately flash in the high beam. I find it pretty useful to flash the upcoming traffic with the high beams, so I can flash them with a high beam as well. I'm going to use that pretty well. So, and long press for 2 seconds. To turn on the DRLs, you have to long press the flashing key for 2 seconds. Nice. So the light switch, 2 seconds, the actual lights are on and off, and then flasher key for 2 seconds, the DRLs are on and off. This is nice, pretty good. So I'm going to use these for my upcoming rides, and the quality is really good. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what I ordered in addition. So they have given these clamps. These clamps are for mounting the lights on the leg guard or the engine guard, but my leg guards are pretty down and pretty far away from the headlight, so I wanted to mount it pretty close to the headlight. So I ordered these two. This is another sealed box. So these, even the quality of these are really good. The screws, the extra rubbers, and these mount onto the forks, the front suspension forks. So right after the headlight, I'll mount it somewhere close to the headlight. So these are like very heavy duty. I'll show you all of these later during the installation, but these costed me in the total of, the lights costed me 4,300 approximate, and the extra clamps that I ordered, these costed something like 950. So this total costed me close to 5,300, I guess. Yeah, but I find these are like pretty good quality from the other brands, so I went forward with this, and I'll get these installed, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's it for now, and keep watching World of Rahul Katkala, and please do like, share and subscribe. See ya.